Did you know that there are certain herbs for eyesight that can support your vision and keep it from diminishing? Herbs that support eye health. Bentonite clay. One great natural remedy for eye strain is bentonite clay. When made into a poultice, this special ingredient helps to remove toxins from the eye, which can help to heal eye infections. Simply paint the clay onto 2 cotton balls and place them on your closed eyelids. Allow the clay to rest there for 15 to 20 minutes, then remove and rinse your face. Fennel seeds. Fennel is an anti-inflammatory herb that also relieves pain and sensitivity. In a teacup, pour 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds. Add hot water from a tea kettle. Once the water cools off, strain out the fennel seeds. Soak a couple of cotton balls in the water and place over the eyelids. Do this a few times each day to soothe irritated eyes. Passionflower Extract. This herb helps to prevent irritation and also works as a nerve relaxer. Like fennel seeds, you can soak cotton balls in a passionflower extract and warm water mixture. Pressing these compresses against your eyes can soothe eye strain and relax your nerves. Bilberry. Bilberry is one of the most beneficial herbs for eyesight. It's commonly used for treating cataracts and conditions in the retina. Plus, this herb can enhance your normal vision as well as your night vision, so if you struggle with seeing the dark, this herb is for you. Ginkgo biloba. Finally, ginkgo biloba is an older remedy that is used to improve circulation, especially around the back of the eye. It potentially relieves pain from menstrual cramps, lessens depression, and aids in the treatment of Alzheimer's. It can also be used in treatments for glaucoma and macular degeneration, helping to improve both of these conditions. Herbs for the immune system. Grapeseed extract is another immune-boosting herbal solution that can improve your vision because it improves circulation. Grapeseed extract also helps to make your retina stronger. To support eye health in general, consider this recipe: grind a few raw almonds into a cup of water. Add half a gram of black pepper. Use raw honey to make the drink sweet. Then, drink once a day to feel the benefits. Test unfamiliar herbs first to see if you are allergic to them, and only use herbal recipes from reputable sources.